John Stallmaker, drove up from Daytona Beach, Florida to attend the welding class, and it is outstanding. It's one-on-one with plenty of hands-on. I knew nothing about welding. I couldn't tell you a flux core from a stick welder, and when I come out of here, I can write my name on a piece of metal. It's a lot of fun. The guys are great. They seem like they care, and they want you to go away with as much knowledge as you can, and definitely it would be worth the price for anybody interested.